Alright, how's everybody doing? I'm going to do a quick video here about dental bridges. If you watch my other video about the Minko, you'll know what I'm talking about. I spent $10,000 getting our teeth done here. Let's see. From this tooth to this tooth is a full set. It's all connected. It's a bridge. And then from this one to this one is the same thing. This one's a gold cap. This one's a regular white cap. Should have just done gold on the bottom too, but I didn't do that. Dental bridges, normally for just the bridges, it's going to cost you about $3,500 without insurance. If you have dental insurance, which I have Spirit Dental, and they have 25% coverage as soon as you make your first payment, so it's probably the best one. I think the deductible was like $2,500 or $3,500 for the year, and you automatically get approved for it as soon as you make that first payment. With the insurance, it'll be $1,324 roughly. Everywhere is different though, so depending on the state, city you're from, dental work is going to cost a little different. But some of the things you'll need to properly take care of these. For starters, get you one of these. This is a water flosser. These things are great. They get all the stuff in and out of your cracks of your teeth and all that built up gunk, but don't just rely on this for flossing. You also need to at least get regular floss or these flossers. These are perfect. I love using these. It just makes it a lot more easier than trying to get both hands in there with the string. And then for the bridges and your caps, your crowns, you're going to want this super floss. I will go ahead and show you how this works. Yeah, I mean, if you need a lot of work done like I did, it cost me over $10,420 to get what I needed done. So I mean, it's not cheap. But you take this string, and on one side it has almost like the end of your shoestring, like the plastic rubber, and then you got a thick part there, which is the floss, and then you got your normal floss at the bottom. It's a long string, but you're just gonna take it and wire it through like that. I'll explain that in a minute. And then just run it back and forth. You want to run it against the teeth, and then you want to run it against your gums a little bit so you can get that tartar and that whatever food, whatever buildup is in there out. See, these three teeth here were not, two of them were already missing and one of them wasn't savable, so they went ahead and pulled it. And then I got two on the bottom that were root canaled, and they had got smashed in, so they had to be pulled out because they weren't savable. That's pretty much it. As long as you get within the spaces where teeth are missing, because if you've got bridges, you're going to have to get in there and get those. And then that water pick, your water floss, this thing will help get all the stuff that's, like here you can see there's a little crack, and then there's the tops of the teeth. You got to use that water pick to blast all that stuff out of there. And in the back, it's kind of low on this side, so there's a little bit of a gap in between the gum line. You can't see it on the front, but on the back you can feel it. And if there's particles of food and bacteria or something in there, it could cause problems if you're not properly taking care of your teeth. If you spend all that money and get this done, you need to take care of your teeth. Like, if you weren't doing it before like I was when I was a kid growing up, it wasn't a regular thing for me to take care of my teeth, so I just didn't do it. I didn't really care. I didn't know what was going to come of it. And then you get older and your teeth start falling apart. You're drinking too much soda, eating too much junk food and whatnot. But yeah, you definitely want to get the super floss. They'll tell you that when you get them done. And I mean, they look really nice. They do look nice. You can also get gold done if you want. If you don't want the white teeth, you want to get gold. I kind of thought about doing that, but I changed my mind on it and just went with the pearly whites. I also use Listerine, non-alcohol though. I'll put about half of that into the water pick, and then I'll fill the rest up with water. That way I'm running Listerine in between those teeth, and it's getting all that tartar buildup out of there. That's pretty much it, guys. And then today I went and picked up these. And basically what this is going to do is, I don't know if you can see it, but those back teeth back there are a little bit yellow compared to the front. And these are all nice and white. And then the back ones are a little yellow, stained up from coffee and soda, cigarettes. All that stuff you're not supposed to do. But basically you get this little kit here, and it's just bleach, and then the gray one is a sterilization, and then the white one over here is the bleach. But you'll just take that and you'll just put a little bitty drop on each side. Your dentist will make these for you, the impressions, and then you just get this little kit. You'll put a little bitty drop on each crack in between where the teeth are, and then when you snap them on, they'll spread out and it'll whiten the teeth up and bleach them down a little bit. They said it works, but I got it today. I haven't tried it, so we're gonna see. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe this video if you know people that are looking for a cheaper alternative to implants, because if you try to get implants done, you're looking at a ton of money, a ton. And let's see, with my insurance, if I didn't have insurance, I would have had to pay almost $30,000. It was over $25,000 to get this bridges and all the cosmetic work, the drilling. I had 5 or 6 root canals done, all in the front. I mean, it was painful going through all that, and it was hell, but excuse my language. But now it's a lot better. I feel more confident. I feel like I'm able to go out in public and do things and talk to people without feeling ashamed of myself because I don't have front teeth and they're all rotted and falling away. If you watch my other videos, you'll see that it's hard walking around knowing that your mouth is messed up and people judge you off of that. They automatically think you're some kind of druggie or something like that, and sometimes that's just not the case for people. I mean, sometimes they just don't take care of the teeth growing up and end up with a bunch of bad teeth when they get older. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I think that's pretty much everything I covered. You can also get one of these Oral-B toothbrushes. The dentist gave me this. These things work great too for cleaning them up real nice and get that nice clean feel on your teeth. They're all nice and smooth. But that is it, everybody. I think I covered everything. Go down and get Spirit Dental. Look it up. It's called Spirit Dental. And look at the packages they have for the dental stuff and find the one that fits you the best. It's not very expensive. I think it's less than 40 bucks a month or something. And then you can also get a DDP card, which is a dental discount card. Let me pull it out here. There it is. This is a dental discount card, basically. If you look up the DDP, I mean, there's only certain dental places that will accept it, but it did take a little bit of extra money off of mine, and it did help out a little bit. And every little bit you save helps, so do what you can. Get that dental insurance. It's only like maybe 40 bucks a month, 30 something a month. It's not too expensive. Oops, sorry. Damn. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's pretty much everything. I think I covered it all. Look at that gold. Woo! I love gold. Hashtag GoldKing. Look up my other videos.